Somewhere inside a nuclear facility, scientists found something that should not exist. A bacteria thriving in the cooling water right next to the reactor core. Radiation levels there would kill a human almost instantly, shredding cells faster than the body could ever respond. This organism barely noticed. Researchers nicknamed it Conan the Bacterium. Its real name is Deinococcus radiodurans, and it can survive radiation doses thousands of times higher than what would kill a person. Here is the part that surprised scientists most. Its secret is not some kind of shield or armor. It has no special coating, no protective shell, nothing that physically blocks radiation from getting in. Its secret is repair. When massive radiation hits most cells, it shreds their DNA into broken fragments, snapping the long molecular chain into pieces, and that damage is almost always fatal. This bacteria's DNA gets shredded too, exactly like everyone else's. It is not immune to the damage itself, but it carries multiple copies of its entire genome, backups within backups, sometimes 4 or more identical sets sitting inside a single cell. And it has an extraordinarily efficient repair system that stitches the fragments back together within hours, using those extra copies as a template to know exactly where each piece belongs. Where other organisms see irreversible damage, this one sees a puzzle it has already solved 1,000 times before. This is really the interesting part, if you think about it. Survival here is not about resisting damage at all. It is about tolerating it completely, letting the damage happen in full, then undoing it faster than it can matter. That is a fundamentally different survival strategy than almost anything else in nature, closer to a machine that expects to break and rebuilds itself on schedule than a fortress trying to keep the enemy out. Researchers have not stopped at radiation either. They have exposed this bacteria to extreme dehydration, the kind that would leave most cells collapsed and irreversibly damaged. They have exposed it to vacuum conditions, the kind of environment you would find in open space with no pressure and no air at all. They have frozen it in brutal cold, far below anything it would ever encounter naturally. Every single time, it keeps bouncing back, resuming normal activity like nothing happened. Scientists have even found it living on the outer walls of nuclear waste storage sites, seemingly unbothered by its surroundings. Going about its business next to material humans cannot approach without heavy protective suits. But here is the part nobody expects. NASA has actually studied this bacteria, and not out of curiosity alone. They are asking a genuinely strange question. If any organism on Earth could survive the radiation of deep space, or the harsh, radiation-blasted surface of Mars, this might be the candidate. Think about what that means. A microbe discovered near a reactor core on Earth might end up telling us something about what could survive on another planet entirely, or even hint at how life might travel between them. And here is where it gets even stranger. Scientists still do not fully agree on why this bacteria evolved such extreme repair abilities in the first place. Natural radiation levels here on Earth are nowhere near intense enough to explain it. Something built this organism to survive conditions it should never have encountered in its evolutionary history, almost like a skill developed for a test it was never actually going to take. Whatever that original pressure actually was, it accidentally created one of the toughest life forms ever documented by science. Somewhere out there right now, a microbe is living in conditions engineered specifically to kill everything else. It sits quietly in water, hot with radiation, surrounded by walls built to contain nuclear waste, in an environment humans built to be lethal to anything living. And it is stitching its own genome back together, over and over, without ever noticing the difference. More of these on this channel, follow along.